Good morning, teacher. Pres- Personal presentation and my daily routine. My name is Luis Gabriel Aguilar Olaya. Of course, English A1, Group 6. I am an employee of Colceramica Corona. I am from Colombia. I live in Zipaquirá. I am 43 years old. My hobby is to ride bicycle. I live with my family, my wife Nidia, my son Jordi, my daughter Gisela. I am studying industrial engineer. My favorite foods are Waldo salad and lasagna. My favorite TV show is Sábados Felices, and my favorite sport are golf and cycles. My daily routine. Usually, I get up at the 5 of the morning. I take a shower, then I get dressed and I have breakfast. I say goodbye to family and I go to work at 5:45. I usually travel on the company bus. Sometimes I travel on my car. I took me 30 minutes to get to my jobs in Sopo. I arrived at the office at 6:30. I change my shirt and go to the work plant to greet the staff. I work a lunch at 30 and 30. Often has fruits, proteins, and marine vegetables. My work days ends at 8:40 in the morning. I take a break and then I start university activities between 6 in the afternoon and 9 in the evening. I watch TV from 9 to 10 and then I go to sleep. Um, Thank you.